Are you an overseas Pakistani? Have your property back here in Pakistan been grabbed illegally by the Qabza Mafia? Have you been deprived of your legal inheritance here in Pakistan? Are you being blackmailed for the family settlements? Please raise your voice. Let's take your voice to the incumbent government that desires so much from the Pakistani diaspora. Let them be on the right side of you. Please raise your voice and let just one television reinforce that voice. We'll stand with you by the process to ensure justice for you. Just one television, voice of lawyers standing with the Pakistani diaspora. Please call us, text us, write us an email, and we'll ensure that your case is taken up. And Just One will make sure that this goes to the right authorities to get justice for you.